wrote this thinking of what she said. It's called Army of Salvation. Crackheads are caught in confusion, stuck in torment and delusion, traced by the mental illusion of capitalist contusions. I sit and ask myself why street hustlers living to die. I sit and ask myself why my government gotta lie. The thoughts be rolling, unfolding, molding like welfare cheese. As I breathe in all the politics, no air left to breathe. Dark clouds and sharp shrouds pollute the community. Street gangs and white fangs destruct Afro unity. You to me, or me to you, what do we do when society's sobriety is stuck in the blues? Small girls with big breasts are put to the test by strong men with long pens who want to write sex. This game is urban and curbing, swirling the thens and the nows, slowly yearning and burning of the who, what, and hows, while the mask of the now slowly sips into then, as we ask ourselves why a new beginning's the end.